In this video, we're going to quickly walk through how to reconcile sales refunds in Xero. If you're new to Xero, don't worry. I'll break it down step by step so you can get up and running fast. By the end of this video, you'll be able to handle refunds like a pro. Stick around because I've also got an exclusive offer for you at the end to use Xero for free, with some special bonuses that you won't want to miss. To start, sales refunds are typically recorded when you process a return or credit note from a customer. The first thing you need to do is create the credit note in Xero. This is done by going to the Sales tab, selecting Credit Note, and linking it to the original sales invoice. When you do this, you're essentially reversing part or all of the original sale. Once you've created the credit note, you'll need to reconcile it against your bank statement. To do this, go to the Bank tab and find the payment transaction for the refund. If the refund is already in your bank account, you should see it as a transaction that you'll need to match in Xero. Here's the key part. If the refund was issued through a bank transfer or payment gateway, make sure the payment method matches the one used for the original sale. When matching the transaction, Xero will typically offer you suggestions for possible matches, including the refund credit note. You can simply select the correct match from the options, and Xero will reconcile the refund automatically. But what if the refund was partial and you're only dealing with part of the sale amount? No problem. You can adjust the credit note amount in Xero before reconciling so that it matches the partial refund. If the refund was processed through a different payment method, like PayPal or a credit card, just make sure you enter the details correctly when reconciling. Xero allows you to manually enter a payment, and you can match it up with the credit note or invoice as needed. The system will prompt you to confirm the match, and once confirmed, the transaction is reconciled. At this point, you've successfully reconciled your sales refund. This process can really simplify your workflow, especially when handling multiple transactions, because Xero automates much of the reconciliation. If you followed along so far, you'll know that reconciling sales refunds in Xero isn't complicated once you know the steps, and it's a great tool for keeping your books clean and accurate. As a reminder, if you're looking to get started with Xero and see how it can help you automate your finances, there's a special offer for you. You can try out Xero for free with an exclusive bonus through the link below. You'll get access to features like invoicing, payroll, and of course, easy reconciliation for sales refunds. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to check the link in the description for your free trial of Xero. Don't miss out. This is a great opportunity to get a head start with one of the best accounting tools out there.